What's up? So I've got a new hardtop on my Jeep. Never had one before. It's always had a soft top, but I'm gonna see if the camper van build that I made still fits in it. Let's check it out. All right, so what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna take the seats out. Actually pretty easy to take the seat out. You just lift it, and there's these bars right here that you loosen up and just pull it out. And this is what the Jeep looks like inside without the seat. And this is a two-door JK Wrangler. It's a 2007. When I designed the camper build, I didn't want to make any holes or anything. Shelves will go in between the carpet and the green frame there, same as the other side here for the bed. And then the bed extension goes out here. I just fold the seat forward if I want to lay it all the way down, and then underneath will be storage and all that. So if you've seen my other videos, you know the layout, but if you haven't, well, I'll show you. And this is where I have my camper build stored. So I've got the cushions and I've got the platform in the back. I'm really curious to see how it's going to fit. So this is my build right here. So this is going to be the base. This is going to be the bed platform. These are the bug guards. So there's ventilation, and these are the cushions. And here's the green grass carpet. I did notice that this got loose, so I'm going to go ahead and tighten these up. Now, it's also always a good idea to tighten up your builds because they do get loose. And these also, when you drive, there's a lot of bumps and stuff, and the vibration just loosens these up. First thing I'm going to set up is the bed platform and storage, and that's going to fit right in here. I did design this for easy and super fast install. Now there are no holes that you have to make or anything like that at all. It doesn't weigh a lot either. It's pretty light. It goes in like this. Now I did notice that some of these waterproof flooring panels did come off just because it was stored in that storage room where there's a water heater, and the humidity itself just peeled them off, but that's no biggie. And now the actual bed platform is going to go on top of here and rest up in that lip over there. And again, these do not weigh hardly anything. I mean, they do weigh, but they don't weigh a lot at all. This is the part. Now, if you notice, I did cut this part out for this, so it can fit right in there. And notice that it's going to go underneath the lip, right in there. Okay, it's perfectly snug and right underneath here. So when you lay the bed part, this will hold it. These are like pillars. And this is what it looks like from this point of view. And the storage container goes under here. And now I'm going to put the desk or the countertop right over here on this side. It's going to fit right in here. And just let me show you, this part here goes inside the lip of the Jeep there, just like that, and it's pretty snug. And now it's time to put the cushions and all. So as you see, I really don't need the panels that are on the waterproof panels that are on the platform. Just so y'all can see what I did kind of slit them on the sides so they can fit just snug like that. And this other extra one, I just put it down there wherever I'm camping. That way I don't track a lot of dirt and stuff inside. This goes in here just like so, and then you roll up the window, and it's supposed to fit it right in there, just like that. Now there is a little gap here, but that's okay. At least it keeps most of the bugs out. And that's it. Super fast, super easy, and awesome. So that's the JK 2007 camper build.